is Dr. Samashwat, and today I am going to discuss about the prostate. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the what is the location of prostate gland, what are the various zones of prostate gland, and what is the microscopic picture of prostate gland. So we will start with the location of prostate gland. A prostate gland is almost equal to the size of a walnut, and it is located below the bladder in front of rectum. This is the urethra. And here will be the penis. So it is almost equal to the size of a walnut, and it is present below the bladder in front of the rectum. अब हम देखते हैं what are the various zones of prostate gland. अगर आप इस डायग्राम में देखें तो prostate glands को हमने various zones में divide किया हुआ है. तो with green this is the anterior part, this is the posterior part. So this is the peripheral zone. Peripheral zone forms 70% of the glandular tissue of prostate gland. With the blue, this is the central zone. It forms 20% of the glandular tissue of the prostate gland, and it encloses the ejaculatory duct. And the third one with red is the transitional zone. Transitional zone. It is so named as it contains transitional cells which are also present in the bladder. So this is the transitional zone, and it makes about 5% of the glandular tissue of the prostate gland, and it surrounds the urethra, the part of urethra which passes through the prostate gland. Here you see that from the urinary bladder it rises the urethra which passes through the prostate gland, and this is known as prostatic part of urethra. तो peripheral zone है जिसमें 70% glandular tissue है, central zone में 20%, and it surrounds the ejaculatory ducts, and this is the transitional zone which contains the transitional cells, and it surrounds the urethra which passes through the prostate. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है कि ejaculatory duct हैं वो pierce करती हैं into the urethra, और फिर बाद में यहाँ से यूरिथ्रा कंटिन्यू करता है. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे एक मेम्ब्रेनस पार्ट ऑफ यूरिथ्रा होता है, और उसके बाद वो पिनाइल पार्ट ऑफ यूरिथ्रा में कंटिन्यू हो जाता है. तो इस तरह ये थे डिफरेंट जोन्स ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड: ट्रांजिशनल जोन, पेरिफेरल जोन एंड द सेंट्रल जोन. अब हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज द माइक्रोस्कोपिक पिक्चर ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड. तो मैं यहाँ पे ड्रा करता हूँ इसको. सबसे बाहर अगर आप देखें तो यहाँ पे होती है बेसल लेयर. Basal layer is made up of cuboidal cells. It is the outer layer. Prostate glands. The prostate comprises of two components: the gland and the surrounding stroma. So these are the glands. They contain an outer basal layer of cuboidal cells, and there is an inner layer of columnar cells. So these are the nuclei. This is the outer basal layer comprises of cuboidal cells, and the inner luminal layer which is made up of columnar cells, comprises of columnar cells, and the epithelium sits over the basement membrane. So here is the basement membrane. As I already mentioned that the prostate consists of two components, the glandular portion and stroma. So fibromuscular, the stroma comprises of smooth muscles, and the fibrous tissue, collagen, etc. So this is the microscopic picture that the prostate consists of this glandular portion which comprises of basal layer and luminal layer, and surrounding these glands there are the stroma portion which comprises of these smooth muscles and the fibrous tissue. So this is a microscopic picture of prostate gland. As we already studied that what is the location of prostate gland, what are the various zones of prostate gland, and what is the microscopic picture of prostate gland.